Are you looking at backpack beach chairs? Backpack beach chairs are a must-have for anyone looking to enhance their outdoor relaxation experience, whether at the beach, park, or backyard. Combining portability, comfort, and functionality, these chairs cater to diverse needs, from sunbathing to enjoying a shaded spot. In this review, we tested 5 popular models. The Product 1. Tommy Bahama 5-Position Classic Lay Flat. The Tommy Bahama 5-Position Classic Lay Flat Folding Backpack Beach Chair is a budget-friendly option offering a solid mix of comfort and convenience. Its lightweight aluminum frame and padded backpack straps make it an excellent choice for portability. Key features include a towel bar, mesh storage pouch, insulated cooler, and cup holder, all adding to its practicality. The Safe Adjust technology ensures smooth recline adjustments, reducing the risk of pinched fingers. In testing, the chair performed well for casual beachgoers and those looking for a simple, functional seat. The lay flat position was particularly appreciated for sunbathing. Product number: Rio Brand's 4-Position Backpack Lace-Up Suspension Folding Beach Chair. The Rio Brand's 4-Position Backpack Lace-Up Suspension Folding Beach Chair stands out with its unique lace-up suspension design, which conforms to the user's body for enhanced comfort. It features a large adjustable pillow, cup holder, and a storage pouch, making it ideal for long beach days. The chair's lightweight yet durable aluminum frame ensures portability without compromising sturdiness. During testing, the chair's lace-up suspension provided excellent support, making it one of the most comfortable options. The 4-Position Recline, while slightly less versatile than 5-position models, still offers good adjustment. Product number: GCI Outdoor Sunshade Backpack Beach Chair. The GCI Outdoor Sunshade Backpack Beach Chair offers a unique feature with its adjustable UPF 50 canopy, allowing users to switch between sun and shade effortlessly. Its 4-position recline, mesh backrest, and cushioned head pillow provide solid comfort, while the oversized storage pouch and built-in beverage holder add convenience. At 10.2 pounds, it's slightly heavier than other models, but still portable thanks to its backpack straps. This chair excelled in versatility, making it ideal for users who need shade during extended outdoor sessions. The canopy's adjustability was a highlight, but its inability to be removed may limit its appeal for sunbathing. Productmore Backpack Beach Chair Aluminum 2-Pack with Folding. The WK Fam Out Backpack Beach Chair comes as a premium 2-pack, including folding camping tables for added functionality. With 5-position recline, detachable cooler bags, and sponge-padded head pillows, this chair prioritizes comfort and convenience. The rust-proof aluminum frame ensures durability, while the camping table doubles as a footrest or cornhole board, making it versatile for various outdoor activities. During testing, the added camping tables proved highly useful, making this set ideal for families or groups. The detachable cooler bags are a nice touch, though their capacity, 4 to 6 cans, may not suffice for larger gatherings. While the chairs are Product 5-Position Aluminum Lay Flat Backpack Beach Chair 2-Pack. The Posamic 5-Position Aluminum Lay Flat Backpack Beach Chair is a vibrant, lightweight option that comes as a 2-pack. Its 5-position recline, adjustable pillow, and ergonomic design ensure comfort, while the cooler pouch, storage pouch, towel bar, and phone holder enhance practicality. The rust-resistant aluminum frame supports up to 265 pounds, making it suitable for most users. This chair impressed with its thoughtful design, particularly the 4-in-1 side pocket and towel bar, which kept essentials organized. The adjustable pillow added personalized comfort,